Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you tired of dealing with frizzy, unmanageable hair? Well, fret no more because today I've got your back. In this video, I'll be reviewing the top 5 straight hair extensions that will transform your look effortlessly. Whether you're looking to add length, volume, or simply enhance your natural straight hair, I've handpicked the best extensions just for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this journey of achieving flawless straight hair perfection. At number 1 position, we have UNICE straight hair extensions. UNICE straight hair extensions are a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their hair game. Crafted with premium quality human hair, these extensions seamlessly blend with your natural hair, giving you a flawless, natural look. Key features: made from 100% human hair for a realistic look and feel. Available in various lengths and densities to suit your desired style. Can be styled, dyed, and treated just like your natural hair for endless versatility. Benefits and usage. These extensions not only add length and volume, but also offer styling flexibility. Whether you want sleek straight locks or glamorous waves, UNICE straight hair extensions have got you covered. Usability. Easy to clip in and remove, these extensions are perfect for both beginners and experienced users alike. With proper care, they can last for months, making them a worthwhile investment. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, UNICE straight hair extensions are built to last, ensuring long-term satisfaction and confidence. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Pizazz straight hair bundles. Pizazz straight hair bundles are designed to give you the ultimate hair transformation. Crafted with precision and care, these extensions offer unbeatable quality and style. Key features: premium virgin human hair ensures a natural and seamless blend. Double weft construction for added thickness and durability. Minimal shedding and tangling for hassle-free maintenance. Benefits and usage. With Pizazz straight hair bundles, achieving that sleek, straight look has never been easier. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or glamorous curls, these extensions deliver exceptional versatility and style. Usability. The easy-to-use clip-in design allows for quick and effortless application, making them suitable for all skill levels. Plus, the durable construction ensures long-lasting wear without compromising comfort. Durability. Built to withstand daily wear and styling, Pizazz straight hair bundles are sure to stand the test of time, providing you with endless styling options and confidence. The number 3 position is held by Voloria straight hair extension. Voloria straight hair extension is your ticket to achieving salon-worthy straight hair in minutes. With its premium quality and luxurious feel, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Key features: high-quality Remy human hair for a flawless and natural look. Seamless blend with your natural hair for undetectable results. Heat-resistant and customizable for endless styling options. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to bad hair days with Voloria straight hair extension. Whether you're going for a sleek and polished look or voluminous waves, these extensions offer unmatched versatility and convenience. Usability. Designed for easy application and removal, Voloria straight hair extension is perfect for busy individuals who want to look their best without spending hours in front of the mirror. Plus, the durable construction ensures long-lasting wear without any discomfort. Durability. Constructed with premium materials, Voloria straight hair extension is built to last, providing you with confidence and peace of mind every time you wear them. Next, at number 4, we have Beauty Forever straight hair extensions. Beauty Forever. Straight hair extensions are the ultimate solution for achieving flawless straight hair without the hassle. Made with the finest quality materials, these extensions guarantee a stunning transformation every time. Key features: 100% Remy human hair ensures a natural and seamless blend. Double weft construction for added thickness and volume. Can be styled, dyed, and treated just like your natural hair for endless versatility. Benefits and usage. With Beauty Forever straight hair extensions, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking to add length, volume, or simply enhance your natural hair, these extensions have got you covered. Usability. Easy to apply and maintain, Beauty Forever straight hair extensions are perfect for busy individuals who want to look their best without spending hours in front of the mirror. Plus, the durable construction ensures long-lasting wear without any discomfort. Durability. Crafted with precision and care, Beauty Forever straight hair extensions are built to last, ensuring you look and feel confident every time you step out. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Slove straight hair extensions. Slove straight hair extensions are your secret weapon for achieving sleek, straight locks in an instant. Crafted with care and precision, these extensions offer unparalleled quality and style. Key features. Made from high-quality virgin human hair for a natural and seamless blend. Double weft construction for added thickness and volume. Can be styled, dyed, and treated just like your natural hair for endless versatility. Benefits and usage. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or glamorous curls, Slove straight hair extensions deliver exceptional versatility and style. Say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to flawless straight hair perfection. Usability. Designed for easy application and removal, Slove straight hair extensions are perfect for busy individuals who want to look their best without spending hours in front of the mirror. Plus, the durable construction ensures long-lasting wear without any discomfort. Durability. Constructed with premium materials, Slove straight hair extensions are built to last, providing you with confidence and peace of mind every time you wear them. And there you have it, folks! The top 5 straight hair extensions that will take your hair game to the next level. Whether you're looking to add length, volume, or simply enhance your natural straight hair, these extensions have got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and treat yourself to gorgeous, flawless locks that will turn heads wherever you go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous!